Welcome to our YouTube channel, Make Science Easy with Dr. KMC. Today we are going to celebrate our Indian National Science Day. At this juncture, I would like to give a motivational information about the science. The science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. According to our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we observe National Science Day in India on 28th February every year to commemorate the important contribution of science, the scientists, and the scientific progressions in our life. If we describe science in code shortly, then it would be the systematic knowledge based on experimental observations for an investigation which is derived from the Latin word. The world famous scientist once said, Science. Science is blind without religion, and religion is handicapped without science. Yes, it is absolutely correct. And we must say the whole world is tied with the strong rope of science. As we know nowadays, science and applied science developing gradually, and it is helping us to lead our life much better than easier. So we cannot avoid science at all. It is very important day to recall all the memory which science has given to us. Definitely, I will say that we must know about this Indian National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28th February 1928. The most eminent and outstanding Indian scientist, Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, famously known as C.V. Raman, established his experimental thesis known as, in quote, Raman effect, which he declared officially on 28th February in 1928. He did a great discovery and globally become known for his contribution. Due to his discovery of the Raman effect, he was honored and awarded the world famous Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics, and he was the first Asian to receive this award in physics. Respectfully awarded with the first Bharat Ratna Award in 1954, and was also greatly honored with the Great Award of Russia, the Lenin Peace, in the year 1956. The National Council for Science and Technology Communication made a proposal to our central government to observe National Science Day every year on 28th February to commemorate Dr. C.V. Raman's great historic discovery, the Raman effect. Thereafter, our government agreed to their declaration in 1986 and announced to celebrate the National Science Day according to NCSTC proposal date. Then in 1987, on February 28th, first National Science Day was observed countrywide. This year, this year we are celebrating with a theme for 2021 is Future of STI. Future of STI impacts on education, skills and work. So, what is the objectives? What are the various objectives and purpose of the celebrating this National Day. The main objective of this National Science Day is to aware people of our country about the science. Add to this, it inspires children or students to choose science as their career. We cannot ignore them as they are our future to lead our nation in a progressive way. Many science related programs are organized to attract and inspire the thirsty students. Likewise, our future generations, by their extraordinary efforts, achieve the glorious success in the field of science, and then, yes, it will be for nation's pride. The celebration purpose is to support and inspire new innovations. The celebration purpose is to support and inspire new innovations of innovative scientists or students. The important aim of this celebration also is to make known publicly about the importance of science and scientific achievement of the whole world. This event is now celebrated all over India in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. On the occasion of the first NSD, National Science Day, that is on 28 February 1987, NCSTC announced the institution of the National Science Popularization Awards for recognizing the outstanding efforts in the area of science and communication. The celebration also includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibitions based on themes and concepts, the debates, quiz competitions, lectures, science, moral exhibitions, and many more activities. So, how the National Day is celebrated? On this day, every science academy, educational institutions, training centers, or all councils of science organize many science related programs. Every non-government organizations are also the government organization hold special events on these occasions. Ministry of Science and Technology every year organize a special program in New Delhi in Vigyan Bhavan on this program to highlight science. To highlight science, many are awarded prizes nationally according to their unique the contributions. Occasionally, every year the science the showcases are arranged by a famous scientist. Apart from that, in many schools and colleges, science exhibition is arranged and many other competitions also organized on this occasion where students represent the projects, the scientific projects. Students are provided with the knowledge about the science and it inspires them to show much interest in science. So scientists are invited to many famous colleges as chief guests as they are, although their experiences inspire them and interact with the students. So why should we care about the science? We should utilize and take care of the gift of science. The gift of science for the sake of for all. So good is always good. So we no need to discuss more good as we know the benefits of the science. So how science provides us the new inventions and discoveries which are very necessary for these days. So we all aware of the utilization of the atomic bomb or the atom bomb which can destroy the whole world in a minute. We all should be very careful about that. Science should not be utilized for diminishing humanity but should always be utilized for the sake of humanity. So let us all celebrate this the National Science Day today, taking a strong resolution to utilize the science for the welfare of the whole world. Indian science. What is Indian science of today's? At a glance, India is one of the top ranking countries in the field of basic research. Indian science has come to be regarded as one of the most powerful instruments of growth and development, especially in the emerging scenario and competitive economy. In the wake of recent developments and the new demands that are being placed on the science and technology system, it is necessary. It is necessary for us to embark on some major science projects which are having relevance to the national needs, relevance to the national needs, and which will also be relevant for tomorrow's technology, which is also relevant for tomorrow's technology. The Department of Science and Technology plays a vital role in the promotion of science and technology in the country. So Indian agriculture benefited from the development made in the field of biotechnology, for which a separate department was created in 1986 under the Ministry of Science and Technology. So both the Indian private sector and the government have invested in the medical and agricultural applications of the biotechnology. So massive biotech parks were established in India, while the government provided tax deduction for research and development under biotechnological the research. So Bangalore is for they consider, for example, to be the technological capital of India. IT biotechnology, aerospace, nuclear science, manufacturing technology, automobile engineering, chemical engineering, shipbuilding, space science, electronics, computer science, nanotechnology, and other medical science related research and developments are occurring on a large scale in the country. The southern part of India is responsible for the majority of the technology and achievements and the country has made. The golden triangle of the IT and technology in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai forms the backbone of the Indian manufacturing, the research and development, science and technology. So the major challenges that in the year 2030 put before helped India emerge a forerunner in the forthcoming and the critical role in the science and technology and bringing positive transformation for a safe, secure, better society well prepared for the future. The country, they leapfrog into one of the top nations of the science and technology indices and reached the laudable position in several domains in science and technology and innovation. Some of the key the success stories of the science and technology during the year include number one, India's attained third position. India's attained third position in terms of the number of publications in science citation journals as per NSF database, number of PhD in science and engineering, as well as in terms of a number of startups. So India featured within the top 50 innovative economically globally at 48th rank as per the Global Innovation Index we call abbreviation GII. Second, the country is a key mover of global science and technology efforts in vaccine research, including the recent corona the vaccine development and supply and global partnership on the artificial intelligence, to name a few. In India was elected as chair of the World Health Organization's executive board, that is WHO. And third is the draft of the fifth science, the technology and innovation policy related for the public consultation. Fourth, science and technology become core of the decision making, claimed increased media space, gained public interest also. Seamless industry academia collaborations and intra disciplinary partnerships led to quicker solutions and produced in an energized SDI ecosystem in 2030. DST programs triggered extraordinary performance of the innovation ecosystem, and Niti and Manak program made some major impacts on India's innovation ecosystem. A victory march to the combat COVID-19 with a kind of innovation and startups that address COVID-19 challenges led to start a fast technologies, diagnostics and drugs, disinfectants and sanitizers, ventilators and medical equipment and PPEs and informatics and solution to contain, treat and manage the pandemic at solutions to contain, treat and manage the pandemic that all have been unfolded due to an exceptional sharing of the purpose, synergy, collaboration and cooperation that R&D institutions, academia and industry have demonstrated in these months. A mathematical model of the COVID-19 India National Supermodel predicts the rise and fall of the pandemic. The National Supercomputing Mission rapidly boosting high performance computing in the country to meet the increasing the computational demands of academia, researchers and startups in oil exploration, flood prediction, genomics and drug discovery. Centers with sophisticated analytical infrastructure established to provide the state of art of equipment facilities for high-end analytical testing to the researchers. New science and technology areas of the cyber physical systems like AI, the robotics and IoT receive big boost for the research support and innovation hubs there through the national mission on the ICPS. So climate change research mark the impactful publications and establishing centers of the excellence in Himalayan universities. And more about that, celebration of science invites attention of the top the dignitaries with Honorable President gracing the celebration of the National Science Day for the first time in the country. So similar way, a lot of work have been marched towards which including a phenomenal white paper by the TIFAC provided the recommendations for the focused intervention for Make in India after COVID-19 pandemic. So in last, I would like to say that scientists from IIA and ARIES collaborate with the Nobel laureate on 30-meter and in the telescope the projects being installed in Hawaii. So in addition to that, the RRI achieves the first successful implementation of the highly secure, efficient quantum cryptographic schemes. So in all that, India is marching towards excellence in the science. It is true. But we have the roadmap again. So India is aggressively working towards establishing itself as a leader in industrialization and technological development. Significant developments in the nuclear energy sector are likely as India looks to expand its nuclear capacity. Moreover, the nanotechnology is expected to transform India's the pharmaceutical industry. The agriculture sector is likely to undergo a major revamp with the government investing heavily to a technology driven the green revolution. The government of India through the science and technology innovation policy 2013 among other things aspires to position India among the world top 5 scientific superpowers. So Indian Space Research Organization ISRO will launch its first Indian human mission by 2022. So India initiated a landmark policy called Science, Technology and Innovation Policy 2020 with core vision being decentralized and evidence informed, bottom up, experts driven and inclusive. The policy aims to bring in the concept of the within code the dynamic policy. The dynamic policy with a robust policy, the governance mechanism incorporating the features such as the periodic review, policy revolution, and then evaluation, and feedback and adaptation, and a timely exit strategy for various policy instruments. So, to conclude, the scientists from the historic ages such as Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, and Bhaskaracharya, and Kanad, Nagarjuna, Sastra, and then Sharak have made tremendous work in the technology field such as science, medicines, astronomy, and mathematics. So here the science and technology in India are evolving rapidly from the past decade. So more and more people are attracted to the science and technology field nowadays. From the last one decade, the number of technical institutions is vastly increased. Also, the usage of science and technology in the daily lives of people is also increased. Many schools and colleges host science exhibitions, quick competitions, and then live projects, model speech, and essay competitions to encourage the students about the science and technology. So hence, we are providing the necessary core information about the National Science Day of India 2021. If you are given, if you are given the responsibility of hosting the National Science Day event, then this anchoring my speech for National Science Day event ceremony 2021 will definitely will help you have a successful endeavor in pursuit of science in our India. Have a successful endeavor in pursuit of science in our India. Jai Hind.